Hi everyone and welcome back to the S&P Saga, your weekly recap of the S&P 500 index. We'll reveal the winners and losers that drove 19% of the index performance and which companies will announce earnings next week. As usual, don't forget to subscribe to understand how individual stocks impact the S&P 500. Let's jump right into this week's review. The S&P 500 closed the week at 5,969.34 cents, up 1.7% from last week and adding 982 billion of market cap. The PE ratio, based on current price and latest earnings, stands at 30.42, up 0.42 points since last week. Let's go to your gainers. Tesla is up 102.2 billion or 9.9% due to President-elect Donald Trump's plan to streamline regulation for self-driving cars, which investors anticipate will benefit Tesla's autonomous vehicle initiatives. Apple up 73.6 billion or 2.2% on no specific news. Walmart is up 49.6 billion or 7.3% due to strong third-quarter earnings, increased profit forecast, and robust consumer spending during the holiday season. Netflix up 31.6 billion or 9% on the success of the live-stream boxing match between Mike Tyson and Jake Paul, which attracted 108 million viewers, demonstrating the platform's potential in live sports streaming. Costco up 25.2 billion or 6.3% on no specific news. Oracle is up 23.6 billion or 4.6% on no specific news as well. Blackstone is up 21.4 billion or 9.7% following its acquisition of a majority stake in Jersey Mike's subs, valued at approximately 8 billion, signaling confidence in the company's growth strategy. ABBV is up 21.1 billion or 7.2% following an analyst upgrade highlighting the growth potential of its immunology drug CRWD and Rinvoq, despite recent setbacks in its schizophrenia treatments. IBM is up 16.7 billion or 8.8% on an announced deal with AMD for cloud AI services. Salesforce is up 16.1 billion or 5.2% after announcing a new AI agent training program. Moving on to your losers. Alphabet is down 89.6 billion or 4.2% due to the US Department of Justice's proposal to break up Google's search business, including the potential sale of its Chrome browser. Amazon is down 57.7 billion or 2.7% on no specific news. Intuit down 13.4 billion or 6.9% on weaker than expected guidance for the upcoming quarter and concerns about potential competition from a proposed government-backed free tax filing app. Target down 12.5 billion or 17.8% due to disappointing third-quarter earnings, lowered full-year guidance, and intensified competition from value-focused retailers like Walmart and Costco. HCA Healthcare down 4.6 billion or 5.3% following a downgrade by Raymond James, citing potential earnings risks from the upcoming expiration of insurance subsidies. Qualcomm is down 4.1 billion or 2.3% due to investor skepticism about its diversification plans beyond smartphone chips, particularly in the automotive and Internet of Things sectors. Vertex Pharmaceuticals down 3.8 billion or 2.2% on no specific news. Uber down 3.7 billion or 2.4% due to investor concerns about increased competition from Tesla's planned robotaxi service and the potential impact of regulatory changes favoring autonomous vehicles. Palantir is down 3.3 billion or 2.2% due to the profit-taking by investors following a significant year-to-date surge and concerns about its high valuation relative to earnings. Broadcom is down 2.8 billion or 0.4% on no specific news. This week, there was one change announced to the S&P 500 that will be effective on November 22nd, 2024. Marathon Oil, up 13% over the past year, is being acquired by S&P 500 and 100 constituent ConocoPhillips in a deal expected to close November 22nd and will be replaced by Texas Pacific Land, up 216% over the past year. Q3 2024 earnings season is coming to an end and more companies reported earnings, with 15 members releasing earnings last week and 38 companies now left to report. 8 S&P 500 members will release earnings during the week ending November 29th, 2024, and the most interesting will be Analog Devices, Dell Technologies, and CrowdStrike on November 26th. Which company do you think will top the list next week and why? Let us know in the comments below and subscribe to our weekly updates. To find out why Disney and JP Morgan were up last week, you should watch this video next.